tell me what's what. I mean, we know this car, the real 608 wheel horsepower, but today we're talking about this Joy, or Joy.
It's a MEV EXOCET. Yeah?
MEV.
Yeah, it's a MX-5
So MEV, not METH.
MEV.
Okay,
MEV,
yeah, okay.
You got a little MX-5 underneath. You
Yeah.
take off the rusty body shell or whatever, and then you put a little exoskeleton
Nice.
chassis on, and yeah.
And then goes a bit of
Nice
boosty
little
boy,
turbo. Yeah, man.
different suspension.
Yeah, it's got my stars, fully adjustable
cool.
one. Yeah, it's
Very
alright,
nice.
man. Got
So-
some race clutch in, it's good, man.
Since it's like an open chassis and everything, I made sure to put lots of duct tape on the GoPro that it doesn't fly off, because I'm curious about the speed that we'll be doing. But most importantly, it will be just like a driving experience. I'm not going to be going too fast, because I assume it has no ABS, or?
Nah, no ABS, no traction control.
No, yeah. So I'm gonna take.
Full cage.
Yeah. So we'll take it easy within reason, have some fun with it. But yeah, something different. Yeah, MEV. So it says 230R.
It's
So it's like what
226
it's
horsepower,
like-
but I just wanted to round it up. It looks better.
Okay. Dude, and what's the
yellow stuff pads in? EBC discs.
what's the
So-
weight then?
750.
Okay, so with us in it, it's like close to a ton.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah.
It's still, yeah, but it's nice. It's like MX-5, which is, it has a wing. Nice.
It didn't fall off yet.
Yeah. All right, let's hop in and do a lap. Well, I hope that GoPro should stay. Not too much wind blowing it away, and if it does, I'm sorry. Man,
So
Just
let's go.
Yeah, lettuce. Yeah. We are back, and usually I do my verdict inside the car, but now it was a bit windy to do anything, and you wouldn't see my face anyway, maybe for a better thing anyway. But I was super happy, actually. I'm always super skeptical when it comes to driving open wheel cars or open cockpit, and especially with no ABS on the ring, because if you end up in a barrier, then you're not gonna have a video for a while, and I'll be dying twice. Once because of this, and second time because my wife's gonna resurrect me and kill me for doing such a stupid thing. So yeah. Therefore, I'm always skeptical and taking it easy. But this car was within limit, but I was still driving it in a sporty way because it was very good, very inviting, very nice, very well set up. The only thing that was kind of like, if I would comment something, the tires could use a bit more grip because they're a bit old side. They're like from 2020. Actually, so like really high-speed sections would be like skipping a bit. And the brake pads, the yellow stuff, could be a bit better because it was smelling at the end, but the pressure was still the same, the brake pedal pressure, because it's at the end of the day a very light car, so it's actually quite good. But like I said, I'm very surprised. The handling was good. It wasn't like sometimes I was confident enough to do a bit of lift off oversteer. I think we've done something, I don't know, forced where we passed the car. It was like a bit of
it was good, man.
turning. It was it was confident to actually be playful. So of course, my opinion stands. I would never have such a car for myself for the ring, but on GP tracks and even as like a weekend driver, absolutely, because there is nothing better than a lightweight car. And what's the price of it?
I bought it for £10,000.
Really?
To build it, maybe 20k. The guy.
Okay.
Spend, but yeah.
Nice. Yeah. And the whistle sounds of the boost of the turbo are so addictive. I hope you could hear something from the speedometer cam, but maybe everything was just wind noise for you. I don't know. But hopefully it gives you some sort of indication of how it is, because, like I said, for 10 grand, such a track day toy, to learn the dynamics of the car, like I said, go on GP tracks where it's safe to lose traction and control. But fantastic car, really liked it. So never heard of it before, but I will definitely remember it. So thanks again for making it happen. So
bang,
bang, bang.
Skibidi, pap, pap.
All right, whatever you say, bro.